Good morning, students. Today, Wednesday. This is virtual matriculation. I am Uru English teacher. Okay, students. All of you, how are you? Uh, all of you eat your uh, food or not? You cannot hate me. Definitely, you are eat in your food. Okay, because of in your food is very important. Right. You cannot eat mean first of all you are go to eat your tiffin or food, okay, right. Now in the pandemic issue also going on here, right. So you also stay safe, stay home, okay. Because of your health is very important, students, right. Okay, first of all, now today we are see the topic fourth standard English, okay. Okay, students, today we are see topic name is what. The topic name is unit 1 term 1 the world with robots, right, okay. Today we all see, just listen me here, okay, students. Today we all see what. Today we all see correct, singular, plural, right. Today we all see singular and plural, right, right. First of all, now I given to the some importance of this singular plural. First you see this picture, what this picture is name is what, lion, right. You see a naming word which is used for the person or thing is called singular. What, a naming word which is used for one person or things is called singular. They are thinking one person only you called him in, you are using singular. So but a naming word which denotes more than or persons or thing is called plural. What, a naming words which denotes, denotes denotes more than one persons or thing is called plural. Yes, you think called plural form because of more than one come in, that's one of the plural words, okay. Are you clear? Right, some examples I give you first of all, okay, after we are going to the topic, right. First of all, your add, see your add, yes, if any one of a, e, I, o, u comes before y, okay, it's one of the what, it's one of the vowels, a, e, I, o, u, it's also vowels, right. It's come before you add y, right. Add, first of all add yes if any one of a, e, I, o, u vowels comes before y, okay. Okay, yes before by boys, okay, you are odd before boys, you are all odd, yes mean first of all you are odd y, after you add yes, okay. Okay, next you are see change the y into is. It's mean by if any one of a, e, I, o, each one of the vowels, you know that is is, it's one of the is, okay. See is, yes is does not come before, just your add yes, okay. After I tell the some examples, add, okay. Yes means you see the pictures, cups mean cup, you are all art, yes, cups, okay, right, clear. Okay, add es for words. You are all add es for means you see es what? Some examples are given to you. Es. Yeah, you see dresses. It's one of the plural form. You are all add es mean it's one of the plural form es, right? And ending with s, ws, x, sh, ch. Okay. Yeah, first of all, s ending mean you see s of end. Okay. Or ws, where's ws? See. Yes, correct. Okay, students. You see which is glass. Ws, they are mentioned ws into that, right? Okay. You see, simply add yes mean what? Okay, you simply add yes means your add yes. You see es. Okay, for the named words, I mean ending ch, sh, s, ws, and x also. Okay, it's also one of the simple word. See, simply add yes means simply add yes. If any one of A, E, I, O, U, each one of the vowels, you know that, yeah, come before Y. The vowels come before mean you also add Y also, right? Another one is change. Change the Y means into I, E, S. If any one of A, E, I, O, U does not come before you, before you add Y, okay? I mean the boy. Boy is one of the singular word. Singular boys. That's one of the plural. One person's also boy also here mean you also mention Y only. Correct. Right. Are you clear? As clear means not a problem. Okay, students. We are going to the topic. Now we are going to the topic. Just right. Already we are seeing, yes, we are seeing this picture lion. Yeah. A naming words which is used for one person or things is called singular. Yeah, already I tell you see this bat. It's one of the singular. See, next one is a naming words which denotes more than one person or things is called plural. More than person means 1, 2, 3, or 4 persons or 5 persons or here mean that's called plural form. Okay. Now we are see one singular, more than one plural. We are see the pictures. Okay. Now you are see the first box. You are see the first box. How many bats are here? Yes, correct. Very good. One bird. One bird's only here. Right. One bird only here mean it's one of the singular form. Right. What form? Is it one of the singular form, right? Next we are see more than one plural. More than one plural means 1, 2, 3. How many bats? How many bats also here? 3 bats also here. This count. How many bats? Yeah, I count it. 1, 2, 3. 3 bats also here, right? That's one of the bats. Because of we are add yes. You see yes. This yes also we are add. Okay. It's one of the plural form. Because of more than one things also here, Right. Are you clear, students? Okay. Next we are see some tips to change singular to plural. Some tips to change singular to plural. Right. You see the picture? What is it? Yes, cup. They are mentioned simply add you also yes only. Okay. because of cup here mean you see the cups, the one cup, another one is two cups also here, right? Okay, the one cup, how to write mean cup. Don't you are all add yes, don't add yes, okay? Right, the second one is c 1 2. How many cups also here? Two cups also here, because of we are also add yes, right? We are also add yes, right? Because cups. Why we are all add yes? Because it's one of the plural form. It's also singular. Only one cup also here, you know. So it's plural. Cups. Two cup also here. So we are add cups. Okay. I add yes. Okay. Okay. You are all see this picture. What is it? Yeah, correct. Ball. It's also balls. Right. One balls also here. Here two balls also here. How to write mean? You see ball, ball, because of it's also singular. Singular means single person, one person only here, that's also singular. So here one ball only here, one ball only here, so your add, don't add yes, because of it's one of the singular, right? Are you clear? Okay, students. And next you see the balls. How many balls also here? Just count. 1 2. How many balls? Two balls also here, right? How to write? ball, yes. Why we are all add yes? Because it's one of the singular. I ask the questions, singular or plural? Yes, plural. Yeah, very good guy, right? Yes, because of two balls also here, so we are all odd balls. ball, yes, right? Okay, sound of the plural form. Okay, next we are see add es form. What form? Es form. Add es for the naming words ending with ch, sh, s, ws and x. What? Add es for the naming words ending with ch, sh, s, ws and x. Right. Okay, you see the picture, students? You are all see the picture. What is it? This picture is what? Yes, correct. This picture is torch. It's one of the light. Okay. They are mentioned telling about es. They are you see the headlines. Es. Okay, how to add es means, just listen. How many torches also here? One torch also here. Two torch also here. One torch is a singular, two torch is a plural. One torch here mean you are all odd torch, torch, right? Okay. Two torch mean we are all odd, torches, torches. Okay. You see next this picture. Yeah, correct. How many pictures also here? Yes, one brush. Yeah, here this side two pictures, this side one pictures. One pictures mean it called one person. I mean singular. One singular, two also come in plural, right? You also come plural. Sorry, singular means you are all odd. brush, brush. It's one of the singular form because of we are odd. Don't add es form. Okay, so es not come to here, so it's one of the plural, sorry, singular. One person also here, one dress is also here, so brush, brush. Next we have see two brushes also here. Yes, two brushes also here. Two brushes also here mean brush, brushes. You are all es form. Okay, because of they are mentioned you are add es, so they are all add Yes, right. I underline words yes. Here I underline yes. Because of es admin, it's one of the plural form. You see the cups, it's one of the plural form. Balls, yes, plural form. Es also add each one of the plural form, each one type of name. These are also one type of name, right? Okay. uh, you see this picture. what what picture, students, here? Yes, very good. Yeah, bus. This picture is bus, correct. How to add mean? Bus is spelling bus here. Buses, buses. We are all at es also here, so I mentioned es, right? Okay, I also add es, right? Because of es add mean, it's one of the plural form. Because of two buses also here, right? Next you all see glasses. But glass, why I tell glass means, it's one of the single glass also here. You see this glass picture, single glass also here mean, you also add glass, glass. Two glass also here mean, you are called glasses, you are all add es, so it's one of the glasses, right? You are see the next picture. Yeah, we like this picture also, yeah. Okay, it's not a problem. Just you see like it. What is it? Boxes. One box also here, two boxes also here. Box means singular, boxes mean plural. Box is one box also here, box. Two box also here, boxes. Because of two box also here, so we are all mentions plural form. Are you clear, students? Right. Okay. Okay, students, you all simply add s form. Okay, if any one of a e I o u comes before y. Okay, what is the a e I o u? Any idea? Already I tell you, no. Yes, vowels. This a e I o u. These are all words with the vowels. Correct. Simply add yes. Okay, simply add yes. If any one of a e I o u comes before, you are also add y. For example, keys. Okay, your first of all your add key. They are mentioned key, right? First of all, you see how many keys also here? Yes, one key also here. You see how many keys also here? Yes, just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 keys also here. One key means more than 2 keys or 3 keys or 4 keys also come. That is one of the plural. One key only here means that's one of the singular, right? So it's one of the singular form, it's one of the plural form. Because of more than keys also here, so the spelling is key means singular, keys. We are add simply yes. You see yes, we are add yes. I add yes. Next we are see this box. What is it? Yes, tie. Correct guy. Okay. How many ties also here? One. See this picture only. You see this picture. It's one of the singular. This side. You see this side. How many pictures also here? 1, 2. 2 pictures also here. That's toys. That is toys because it's one of the plural form. more than one also here, right? So we are allowed. Yes, right. Are you clear? Okay, students. Okay, next we are see change the y into IES. If any one of here A, E, I, O, U does not comes before y. Okay, cannot come means y. You are also for example, lady. They are mentioned lady. Why, right? Okay. How many ladies also here? You see this picture only. First of all, you see this picture only. Yes. Yeah. Lady. They are mentioned why? Because A, E, I, O, U does not come before we are all add Y. So we are don't add IES form. Just we are add Y. Because of one person only here, Yes, it's one of the singular. You see this picture? How many pictures here? 1, 2. 2 pictures also here, So you are all add ES. They are mentioned, IES like that. I is just I underline. IES, right? IES is the answer of here. It's one of the singular. It's one of the plural because of more than one person here. 1, 2, 2 person also here, So it's one of the ladies. I mean plural form. Okay, students. Next we all see this next picture. What? Here baby also here. Because of one person also here, so baby. Because does not come before mean we are all y, So the baby also here, right? Next one is how many babies also here? 1, 2, 2 babies also here. I mean kids or babies or child. Because of here babies also here because I mentions babies. How to write? Yes, you see this IES. Babies also here. So now the singular is mean only you are all before you are all add y only. That's right. Okay. Next you are all this picture. How many kids also here? 1, 2. I mean babies also here. Right? 2 babies also here. Just you are all add. You see IES. Right. I underline IES. Correct. Are you clear, students? Okay, good. Just listen properly. Next, use this. We are all see next box. You see tick. Tick mean which the correct answer. We also tick. Take the correct plural form. They are mentioned of plural form. Plural form mean more than one. Because of, for examples, you get it. The key mean keys. Because of each one of the plural. Because more than keys also here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 keys also are. And the examples you see toy. 1, 2 toys also here. Right. It's one of the correct answer of here. Next we are all see ladies IES form, babies IES form. We are all was see correct. You see tick. I mean tick mean the correct plural form. You are tick it. Okay. Tick the correct plural form. First of all, you are see the picture. What is it? Fly. Right. Which is the plural form? First one is fly. I mean FLY spelling is okay. Another one is fly is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fly is okay. We are all odd. IES. Okay. Each one of the fly is. You see flies. This is the wrong answer because of the fly. Fly is only right answer because of we have IES. We are all odd. Okay. Next we are see this picture. What bench? How many options of here? One, two, three. Three options also here. The first one is benches. Another one is benches. Another one is bench. Which is the plural? Yes, the first one is plural. Bench is es form. Okay, just like that es. Next you have see the dog. Dog mean you are also add yes only. This is one of the right answer. Dogs, right? Dogs, right? Okay, but they are given to the dog, doggies. These two type of answers are wrong. You are allowed. You are allowed yes only. This is one of the correct answer. DOGS, dogs only correct answer. Next, bus. BUS, catch bus. Which is the correct answer means first one is bus, BUS, catch. Another one is BUS, HES, BUS, HES, buses. Another one is bus, BUS, HES, BUS, HES. This is one of the BUS, HES, one of the answer of here, right? Are you clear, students? Okay. Next you have see this picture. What is the picture? Yes, boy. This picture is one of the boy. You see how many boxes here? 1, 2, 3. Three options. Boy, boys, boys. You are all add BOYS, boys. Yeah, wrong. BOYS only right answer. You take it right. Okay, this is one of the answer. Okay. Another one is it what? Box. What is it? Fox. Not a box. It's one of the fox. It's one of the animal, you know. Like that the fox also living to forest side. Right. So the first one, second one, third one. So three options also here. First one is foxes. Fox. Foxes. Okay. First one is foxes. Foxes is one of the answer of here. Yes, foxes is answer of it. Are you clear? Okay. Next we are go to write the plural form. What? We are go to write the plural form. The first one is what? The first one is cat. Cat also here this box. How to write cat the plural form in yeah, correct. CATS, cats. Because of your art, yes only. Right now, they are don't mention cat because of its own singular. They are at only singular. Now we are at plural form. Just we are at yes only. Right. Yes is one of the plural. Right. Next we are also the second one. What? This is the watch. WATCH, watch. You are mentioned plural form in that's one of watches. WATCHES, watches. So it's one of the answer of here. Watches. What the letter we are add? Yes, yes. We are all add. So it's one of the plural form, right? Finally, we all see what? Cherry. Cherry means what? Cherry means cherries. What spelling? CHERRIES. Cherries. Again, one time see this box. You know, write the plural form means the first one is cat. Cat means cats because of CATS, cats. It's one of the plural form. The second one is watch. WATCHES, watches because of we are all odd ES form. Right. Finally, the third one we are all odd dish. DIS, catch dish. Dish means dishes. DISHES, dishes. The fourth one is cherry. Cherry is one of the tasty fruit. You know that? Yeah, I like also cherry fruits. Very tasty and sweety. Like, yeah, cherry. Cherry. How to add sir means CERRIES. It's one of the we are all add yes. Right. What are all the today we have seen? Just recap. Yes, these pictures, singular plural bat. We see the bat, bats, cup, cups, ball, balls, Another one is torch, torches, because of its brushes. Then we have see bus, buses, glass, glasses, box, boxes, uh, key, keys, toy, toys, lady, ladies, baby, babies. Okay, these are all today we have see. And headlines A, E, I, O, U form also we are see. You see add ES form and CH, SH, S, WS, X. And next we have C. Simply add S form verb keys only one A, E, I, O, U. What is the I, O, U? Vowels. Vowels also we are see. Right. Finally, we all see this box. They are fully flies, benches, dogs. Yes, correct. Bus, buses, boys, foxes. Right. Then we are see cat, watch, this, cherry. These are all the happening also today. We are see. Okay, students. Today class over. See you next day. Bye bye.